Silver has seen a continuous streak of drop, and that is what we had expected, that once it trades below 2400 there is no one which can stop silver till 2300. I hope you all profited from my last week's analysis, and this week again we'll try to find out where we can enter, what could be the take profits, what should be the exit levels for those who trade in silver, and how we can make profit. Everything we're gonna try to find out with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. At the end of this analysis I'll give you the trading levels. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And my other analysis on gold, crude oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Germany 40, FTSE 100 and Nifty is also getting released, and I do share my daily analysis on silver along with these indices also, so do press the bell icon. Now let's start here. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts it is creating a ladder out there, and right now it is trading in this channel. So yes, after this consistent break one can also see that the bearishness is diminishing. See the size of the candles, and it is consistently diminishing in nature. Also look at this, before dropping yesterday it has tried to achieve a high here, and it has clearly created a channel out there. The resistance now at around 2340 levels is going to be a very strong resistance for silver for any up move on the daily chart. If you see it trading any point of time over 2340, one can remain long. Also look at this, right now it is, see the body size on the last 4 days, it is consistently increasing. So one thing, that with the support at 2280 it may try to rise again and give you a greener candle, and from there the reversal may start. This is one probability. Next probability, that it may try to go back till towards 2260 levels, and from there it can try to rise a bit. And yes, you have to be very cautious here. If you see it trading beyond 2340 one can go long, and yes, if you see below 2260 one can go short. This is what it appears on the daily charts. Now looking closely on the daily charts, you will find it is again fallen back in this zone where it has consolidated since long, and now 2200 is going to remain the fairly strong support. Now look at the weekly candle and weekly charts out there. See, it tried to rise from 2200 levels. Lower highs have been achieved, lower lows, lower highs have been achieved on the weekly charts as well. There is a stronger resistance at 2600 which exists, and last week we have seen in fact it breaching 2300 and trade closed at 2280 levels. So from here next month, if you see it trading below 2260 any point of time, one has to go short. One will expect, or I will expect, a third red candle which will be of same size almost, and which might try to take it below 2200 levels, where the next target is going to be towards 2170 levels, which it may try to achieve this week itself. So I'll be cautious here for the next week also. On the weekly chart it appears we may see a third red candle also. However, the indicator should also give the same indication. Now look at the monthly candle here. Monthly candle lower highs here despite a breakout here. So lower highs is getting formed, and also the support at 2200 and 2140 is going to be strongest. So couple of observations to make. Once it trades, the see it is trading already above 2280. Once it trades below 2260 you can go short, and then you can expect 2240 which is going to provide a little support, and then 2200 which is going to be a very strong support. Below that one can expect a sharper red candle in the month of May, where we may see silver going till towards 2000 levels. This is also very much possible. If it continues to drop we may see a sharper fall. Now look at the last two monthly candles. See, lower lows, lower highs is what we have seen. This is trying to trade in this channel, and only long on silver is once it trades, this is for complete month, only long is once it trades about 2500. Till the time it remains below 2500, my expectation that probably this time it may break 2200 levels, and in fact try to go till towards 2140 and 2100 probably, and from there a rise can be expected. On the upside there is a fairly strong resistance now at 2320 2340 levels, and if it breaks this then one can expect 2400 2450 levels or so. So this is what we can see. So this is what we can see on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are indicating on the daily charts? If you'll find, now silver is trading below the 20, 50, 100 moving average. See the 50 period at 2500, 20 period at 2450, and 100 period as 2400. This zone is going to remain a fairly strong resistance for silver to break. So 2400 to 2500 only sustaining this zone, silver will enter into a bullish zone again for near, else we may see a continuous fall in silver in the month of May also. Now yes, if you see it trading above 2300 next week, you can go long, and beyond that we may see a rise. That is what also can be expected. 2340, 2360, 2380 levels cannot be denied. In fact 2400 cannot be denied. Now look at the daily stochastic. This is oversold, and see this was overbought, then a reversal, continuous drop, now it is oversold, and hence from here the rise should come and it may try to enter into buy zone. The MACD is wide and divergent, it should start converging from here, and hence greener candles can be expected. See the RSI is on the daily charts is oversold, hence a bounce back is must. So probably till the time silver remains above 2300, one can remain long and one can expect it to rise strongly. And if you look at the weekly candle here, on the weekly charts too, now there is a stronger resistance at 2400 and 2500 zone. Only if it breaks this we can expect a sharper rise. The weekly stochastic is now looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over on the weekly charts, indicating there is little more bearishness here. RSI now looking downwards. Similarly on the monthly chart, similar is the story. More or less the indicators are trading the same levels. Now considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. So if you see silver trading above 2290 levels, yes, here you can go long for 2312, 2320, 2340, every 20 points. Now it has got a little resistance, 2360, 2380 and 2400. Now see till here it has got a resistance or upside resistance at every 20 points or $0.2. But yes, once it breaks 2340, one can see 2400, sorry, this is 2400, and once it breaks 2400, then only one can expect that it is going to fly beyond 2400. It is going to hit 2450 and 2500 levels, which is going to be a fairly strong resistance zone. But however, it can try to come back from these levels. These levels are going to remain fairly strong resistance. On the downside, once you see it trading below 2257 here, you can go short below 2257. The next target is 2240, which is going to be a fairly strong support. Then 2200, and below 2200 there is a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 2140 levels, and then 2090 and 2000 or $20 levels can also be expected. So this is what, and yes, you can always shift your stop loss at cost. See, remember there are several strategies which you can adopt while trading in instruments, whether it is indices or commodities. And if you want to learn those strategies, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. See, the strategies taught will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. So first invest in your learning, then you can reap the benefits throughout your life. Without investing, it will not be a good idea, and don't be among the 99% those who lose in the markets. Also, yes, you can either be part of my VIP signals too by trading as per the signals. Definitely you can profit. Reach out to me via telegram or email for any of your trading or training related queries. My telegram and email id are mentioned in the video and channel description. So what I was saying here is, yes, you have to keep your stop losses in above positions. Once you take a short entry 2257, you should keep your stop loss at 2290, and once you achieve this, you have to put your stop loss at cost here, and then accordingly you can preserve your capital also, and you can make good profits also. Don't trade without stop loss, don't trade without shifting your stop loss to cost, and that is the only way where you can make good profits in markets. So this is all from my side. And yes, you, if you have any trading or trading related case, don't forget to reach out to me, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.